Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Marhaba. Assalamu alaikum. Ana Cynthia Samson में कनाती में Al Arabiyati Al Akbariyati. Welcome everybody. This is Cynthia Samson from Mayan Arab News Channel. So today we are going to start the new lesson from Quran, that is Yunus, from verse 1 to 53 we'll study today. Sanabta ul yoma darsan jadidin fil Qurani wa huwa Yunus min al ayati wahid ila thalata wa khamsun. So let's start. Auz billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
So we'll start from the verse 1 to 6. First the reading will be done in Arabic language, then the translation will be done in English language. So let's start. So Yunus means Jonah in the name of Allah. So most gracious, most merciful. So from first verse till 6th we'll study, then we'll finish it off till 53.
أشهد أن
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif Lam Ra. Tilka ayatul kitabil hakim. Akana linnasi ajaban an awhayna ila rajulim minhum an anzirin nasa wa bashiril lazina amanu ana lahum kadama sidkin inda rabbihim. Kalal kafiruna inna hazala sahirum mubin inna rabbakumullahu lazi khalaqa samawati wal arda fi sittati ayyamin tumastawa alal arsh yudabbirul amr ma min shafi in illa min ba'di iznihi zalikumullahu rabbukum fa'buduhu afala tazakkarun Ilaihi marji'ukum jami'a wadallahi haqqa innahu yabda'ul khalqa thumma yu'iduhu li yajzi yalazina amana wa amilus salihati bil qist walazina kafarau lahum sharabun min hamimin wa azabun alimum bima kanau yakfurun Hu walazi ja'ala shamsa diya'an wal kamara nauran wa qadarahu ma nazila lita lamau ada dasinina wal hisab ma khalaqa Allahu zalika illa bil haqq yufasilul ayati li qaumin ya'lamun inna fi ikhtilafil layli wan nahari وَمَا خَلَقَ لَهُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَّقُونَ. So what does it mean in English? So, Yunus or Jonah in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. These are the ayats of the book of wisdom. Is it a matter of wonderment to men that we have sent our inspiration to a man from among themselves, that he should warn mankind of their danger and give the good news to the believers that they have before their Lord the lofty rank of truth? But say the unbelievers, this is indeed an evident sorcerer. Verily, your Lord is Allah, who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days and is firmly established on the throne of authority, regulating and governing all things. No intercessor can plead with him except after his leave hath been obtained. This is Allah your Lord, him therefore serve ye, will ye not receive admonition. To him will be your return of all of you. The promise of Allah is true and sure. It is He who beginneth the process of creation and repeateth it, that He may reward with justice those who believe and work righteousness, but those who reject Him will have draughts of boiling fluids and a penalty grievous because they did reject Him. It is He who made the sun to be a shining glory and the moon to be a light of beauty and measured out stages for her, that ye might know the number of years and the count of time. No wise did Allah create this, but in truth and righteousness. Thus doth he explain his signs in detail for those who understand. Verily, in the alternation of the night and the day, and in all that Allah hath created in the heavens and the earth, are signs for those who fear Him. Now next verse comes, that is from 7 to 14. Inna lazina la yarjona likana waradau bil hayatid dunya watma anau biha wala lazina hum anya ayatina gafilon ulaika ma wa humun naru bima kanau yaksibon. Inna lazina amana wa amilu salihati yahdihim Rabbuhum bi imanihim tajri min tahtihimul anharu fi jannatin na'im. Dawahum fiha subhanaka lahumma wa tahiyyatuhum fiha salam. Wa akhiru dawahum anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Walau yu'ajjilu lahu linasish sharasti Jalahum bil khairi lakudiya ilayhim ajaluhum fanazarullah zina la yarjona lika'ana fi tughyanihim yamahun wa iza masal insanad duruda ana lijambihi aw qa'idan aw qa'iman falamma kashafna anhu durahu mara ka'alam yad'una illa durim masaha kazalika zuina lil musrifina ma kanaw ya'malun walaqad ahlaknal quruna min qablikum lama zalamu wa ja'athum rusuluhum bil bayinati wa ma kanaw liyu'minu kazalika najzil qaumal mujrimin thumma ja'alnakum khalaifa fil ardi min ba'dihim linanzura kayfa ta'malun. So what does it mean in English? Those who rest not their hope on their meeting with us, but are pleased and satisfied with the life of the present, and those who heed not our signs. Their abode is the fire because of the evil they earn. Those who believe and work righteousness, their Lord will guide them because of their faith. Beneath them will flow rivers in the gardens of bliss. This will be their cry therein, glory to thee, O Allah, and peace will be their greeting therein. And the close of their cry will be, praise be to Allah, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. If Allah were to hasten for men the ill they have earned, as they would fain hasten on the good, then would their respite be settled at once. But we leave those who rest not their hope on their meeting with us in their trespasses, wandering in distraction to and fro. When trouble toucheth a man, he crieth unto us in all postures, lying down on his side, or sitting, or standing. But when we have solved his trouble, he passeth on his way as if he had never cried to us for a trouble that touched him. Thus do the deeds of transgressors seem fair in their eyes. Generations before you we destroyed. When they did wrong, their apostles came to them with clear signs, but they would not believe. Thus do we requite those who sin. Then we made you heirs in the land after them, to see how ye would behave. Now next verse comes, that is from 15 to 20. Wa iza tutla alayhim ayatuna baynatin kala lazina la yarjauna lika annati bi qur'anin gairi haza aw badilh kul ma yakunu li an ubadillahu min talqa'i nafsi in atabi'u illa ma yuha ilayya inni akhafu in asayatu rabbi azaba yawmin azim kullu shallahu ما طلعته عليكم ولا أدراكم به فقد لبثت فيكم أمرا من قبله أفلا تعقلون فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بآياته إنه لا يفلح المجرمون وَيَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مَا لَا يَضُرُّهُمْ وَلَا يَنفَعُهُمْ وَيَقُولُونَ هَؤُلَاءِ شُفَعَاؤُنَا عِندَ اللَّهِ قُلْ أَتُنَبِّئُونَ اللَّهَ بِمَا لَا يَعْلَمُ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَلَا فِي الْأَرْضِ سُبْحَانَهُ وَتَعَالَى عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ وَمَا كَانَ النَّاسُ إِلَّا أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً فَاخْتَلَفُوا وَلَوْلَا كَلِمَةٌ سَبَقَتْ مِن رَّبِّكَ لَقُضِيَ بَيْنَهُمْ فِيمَا فِيهِ يَخْتَلِفُونَ وَيَقُولُونَ لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ آيَةٌ مِّن رَّبِّهِ فَقُلْ إِنَّمَا الْغَيْبُ لِلَّهِ فَانْتَظِرُوا إِنِّي مَعَكُمْ مِنَ الْمُنْتَظِرِينَ. So what does it mean in English? But when our clear signs are rehearsed unto them, those who rest not their hope on their meeting with us, say, bring us a reading other than this, or change this. Say, it is not for me of my own accord to change it, I follow not. But what is revealed unto me, if I were to disobey my Lord, I should myself fear the penalty of a great day to come. Say, if Allah had so willed, I should not have rehearsed it to you, nor would He have made it known to you a whole lifetime before this. Have I tarried amongst you? Will ye not then understand? Who doth more wrong than such as forge a lie against Allah or deny His signs? But never will prosper those who sin. They serve besides Allah things that hurt them not, nor profit them, and they say, these are our intercessors with Allah. Say, do ye indeed inform Allah of something He knows not in the heavens or on earth? Glory to Him, and far is He above the partners they ascribe to Him. Mankind was but one nation, but differed later. Had it not been for a word that went forth before from thy Lord, their differences would have been settled between them. They say, why is not a sign sent down to him from his Lord? Say, the unseen is only for Allah to know. Then wait ye, I too will wait with you. Now next verse comes, that is from 21 to 25. وَإِذَا أَذَقْنَا النَّاسَ رَحْمَةً مِّن بَعْدِ ضَرَّةٍ إِذَا لَهُم مَّكْرٌ فِي آيَاتِنَا قُلِ اللَّهُ أَسْرَعُ مَكْرًا إِنَّ رُسُلَنَا يَكْتُبُونَ مَا تَمْكُرُونَ هُوَ الَّذِي يُسَيِّرُكُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ حتى إذا كنتم في الفلك وجرين بهم بريح طيبة وفرحوا بها جاءتها ريح عاصف وجاءهم الموج من كل مكان وظنوا أنهم أحيط بهم دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين لئن أنجيتنا من هذه لنكونن من الشاكرين فلما أنجاهم إذا هم يبغون في الأرض بغير الحق يا أيها الناس إنما بغيكم على أنفسكم متاع الحياة الدنيا ثم إلينا مرجعكم فننبئكم بما كنتم تعملون إنما مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء إن أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض مما يأكل الناس والأنعام حتى إذا أخذت الأرض زخرفها وزينت وظن أهلها أنهم قادرون عليها أتاها أمرنا ليلا أو نهارا فجعلناها حصيدا كأن لم تغن بالأمس كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يتفكرون والله يدعو إلى دار السلام ويهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم. So what does it mean in English? When we make mankind taste of some mercy after adversity hath touched them, behold, they take to plotting against our signs. Say, swifter to plan is Allah, verily our messengers record all the plots that ye make. He it is who enableth you to traverse through land and sea, so that ye even board ships, they sail with them with a favorable wind, and they rejoice thereat. Then comes a stormy wind, and the waves come to them from all sides, and they think they are being overwhelmed. They cry unto Allah, sincerely offering their duty unto him, saying, If thou dost deliver us from this, we shall truly show our gratitude. But when he delivereth them, behold, they transgress insolently through the earth in defiance of right. O mankind, your insolence is against your own souls, and enjoyment of the life of the present. In the end to us is your return. And we shall show you the truth of all that ye did. The likeness of the life of the present is as the rain which we send down from the skies. By its mingling arises the produce of the earth, which provides food for men and animals. It grows till the earth is clad with its golden ornaments and is decked out in beauty. The people to whom it belongs think they have all powers of disposal over it. There reaches it or command by night or by day, and we make it like a harvest clean mown. If it had not flourished only the day before, thus do we explain the signs in detail for those who reflect. But Allah doth call to the home of peace, he doth guide whom he pleaseth to a way that is straight. Now next verse comes, that is from 26 to 33. Lillazina ahsanul husna wa ziyadaha wa la yarhaqu wujuhahum qatar runwa la zillaha ulaika ashabul jannaha hum fiha khalidun wallazina kasabu sayyati jaza'u sayyatim bimit liha wa tarhaquhum zillaha ma lahum min Allahi min asim ka'annama ughshiyat wujuhuhum qita'am min al-layli muzlima ulaika ashabun nari hum fiha khalidun wa yawma nahshuruhum jami'an thumma naqulu lillazina ashrakau makanakum antum wa shurakaukum fazayyalna bainahum wa qala shurakauhum ma kuntum iyana ta'budun fakaffa billahi shahidan bainana wa bainakum in kunna an ibadatikum lagafilin hunalika tablu'u kullu nafsim ma aslafat wa ruddau illallahi maulahumul haq wa dalla anhum ma kanu yaftarun kul mani yarzuqukum minas sama'i wal ardi amman yamliku sama wal absara wa mani yukhrijul hayya minal mayyiti wa yukhrijul mayyita minal hayyi wa mani yudabbirul amr fasaya qawluna laha fakul afala tatakun fazalikum lahu rabbukumul haq famaza badal haqi illa dalal fa anna tusrafun kazalika haqqat kalimatu rabbika ala lazina fasaqau annahum la minon. So what does it mean in English? To those who do right is a goodly reward, yea, more than in measure, no darkness nor shame shall cover their faces. They are companions of the garden, they will abide therein for aye. But those who have earned evil will have a reward of like evil. Ignominy will cover their faces, no defender will they have from the wrath of Allah. Their faces will be covered as it were with pieces from the depth of the darkness of night. They are companions of the fire, they will abide therein for aye. One day shall we gather them all together. Then shall we say to those who joined gods with us to your place, yea, and those ye joined as partners, we shall separate them, and their partners shall say, it was not us that ye worshipped. Enough is Allah for a witness between us and you. We certainly knew nothing of your worship of us. There will every soul prove the fruits of deeds it sent before they will be brought back to Allah, their rightful Lord, and their invented falsehoods will leave them in the lurch. Say, who is it that sustains you in life from the sky and from the earth? Or who is it that has power over hearing and sight? And who is it that brings out the living from the dead and the dead from the living? And who is it that rules and regulates all affairs? They will soon say, Allah say, will ye not then show piety to him? Such is Allah, your real cherisher and sustainer. Apart from truth, what remains but error? How then are ye turned away? Thus is the word of thy Lord proved true against those who rebel. Verily they will not believe. Now next verse comes, that is from 34 to 42. Kul hal min shurakaikum man yabda'ul khalqa thumma yu'iduhu? Qulillahu yabda'ul khalqa thumma yu'iduhu fa anna tufakun. Kul hal min shurakaikum man yahdi ilal haqq? Qulillahu yahdi lil haqq. Afaman yahdi ilal haqqi ahaqqu ani yuttaba am mala yahdi illa ani yuhadda fama lakum kaifa tahkumun wa ma yattabi'u aktharuhum illa zana inna zana la yughni minal haqqi shay'a inna allaha alimum bima yaf'alun wa ma kana hazal qur'anu ani yuftara min dunillahi walakin tasdiqal lazi baina yadayhi wa tafsilal kitabi la raiba fihi min rabbil alamin. Am yaqul law naftaraha kul fataw bi sawratin mithlihi wad'aw man istata'tum min dunillahi in kuntum sadiqin. Bal kazabaw bimalla yuhitaw bi ilmihi wa lamma yatihim tawiluhu kazalika kazabala lazina min qablihim fanzur kaifa kana akibatu zalimin. Wa minhum man yuminu bihi wa minhum man la yuminu bihi wa rabbuka alumu bil mufsidin wa in kazabauka fakul li amali wa lakum amalukum antum bari'una mimma amalu wa ana bari'um mimma ta'malun. Wa minhum man yastami'una ilayak afa anta tusmi ussumma walau kana la yakilon. So what does it mean in English? Say of your partners, can any originate creation and repeat it? Say it is Allah who originates creation and repeats it. Then how are ye deluded away from the truth? Say of your partners, is there any that can give any guidance towards truth? Say it is Allah who gives guidance towards truth. It is then he who gives guidance to truth more worthy to be followed, or he who finds not guidance himself unless he is guided? What then is the matter with you? How judge ye? But most of them follow nothing but fancy. Truly, fancy can be of no avail against truth. Verily, Allah is well aware of all that they do. This Quran is not such as can be produced by other than Allah. On the contrary, it is a confirmation of revelations that went before it and a fuller explanation of the book wherein there is no doubt from the Lord of the worlds. Or do they say, He forged it? Say, bring then a surah like unto it and call to your aid anyone you can, besides Allah, if it be ye speak the truth. Nay, they charge with falsehood that whose knowledge they cannot compass, even before the elucidation thereof hath reached them. Thus did those before them make charges of falsehood. But see, what was the end of those who did wrong? Of them there are some who believe therein and some who do not. And thy Lord knoweth best those who are out for mischief. If they charge thee with falsehood, say, my work to me and yours to you. Ye are free from responsibility for what I do, and I for what ye do. Among them are some who pretend to listen to thee, but canst thou make the deaf to hear, even though they are without understanding? Now next verse comes, that is from 43 to 53. Then afterwards we are going to bind. وَمِنْهُمْ مَنِ يَنْظُرُ إِلَيْكَ أَفَأَنْتَ تَهْدِي الْأُمِيَّ وَلَوْ كَانُوا لَا يُبْصِرُونَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَظْلِمُ النَّاسَ شَيْئًا وَلَكِنَّ النَّاسَ أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ وَيَوْمَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ كَأَن لَّمْ يَلْبَثُوا إِلَّا سَاعَةً مِّنَ النَّهَارِ يَتَعَارَفُونَ بَيْنَهُمْ قَدْ خَسِرَ الَّذِينَ كَذَّبُوا بِلِقَاءِ اللَّهِ وَمَا كَانُوا مُهْتَدِينَ وَإِمَّا نُرِيَنَّكَ بَعْضَ الَّذِي نَعِدُهُمْ أَوْ نَتَوَفَّيَنَّكَ فَإِلَيْنَا مَرْجِعُهُمْ ثُمَّ اللَّهُ شَهِيدٌ عَلَى مَا يَفْعَلُونَ لِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ رَسُولٌ فَإِذَا جَاءَ رَسُولُهُمْ قُضِيَ بَيْنَهُمْ بِالْقِسْطِ وَهُمْ لَا يُظْلَمُونَ وَيَقُولُونَ مَتَى هَذَا الْوَعْدُ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ قُل لَّا أَمْلِكُ لِنَفْسِي ضَرًّا وَلَا نَفْعًا إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ لِكُلِّ أُمَّةٍ أَجَلٌ إِذَا جَاءَ أَجَلُهُمْ فَلَا يَسْتَأْخِرُونَ سَاعَةً وَلَا يَسْتَقْدِمُونَ قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ أَتَاكُمْ عَذَابُهُ بَيَاتًا أَوْ نَهَارًا مَاذَا يَسْتَعْجِلُ مِنْهُ الْمُجْرِمُونَ أَثُمَّ إِذَا مَا وَقَعَ آمَنْتُمْ بِهِ أَلَانَ وَقَدْ كُنْتُمْ بِهِ تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ ثُمَّ قِيلَ لِلَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا ذُوقُوا عَذَابَ الْخُلْدِ هَلْ تُجْزَوْنَ إِلَّا بِمَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْسِبُونَ وَيَسْتَنبِئُونَكَ أَحَقٌّ هُوَ قُل لِّي وَرَبِّي إِنَّهُ لَحَقٌّ وَمَا أَنْتُمْ بِمُعْجِزِينَ. So what does it mean in English? And among them are some who look at thee, but canst thou guide the blind even though they will not see? Verily Allah will not deal unjustly with man in aught it is man that wrongs his own soul. One day he will gather them together. It will be as if they had tarried but an hour of a day. They will recognize each other. Assuredly, those will be lost who denied the meeting with Allah and refused to receive true guidance. Whether we show thee realized in thy lifetime some part of what we promised them, or we take thy soul to our mercy before that. In any case, to us is their return. Ultimately, Allah is witness to all that they do. To every people was sent an apostle. When their apostle comes before them, the matter will be judged between them with justice, and they will not be wronged. They say, when will this promise come to pass, if ye speak the truth? Say, I have no power over any harm or any profit to myself, except as Allah willeth to every people in a term appointed when their term is reached. Not an hour can they cause delay, nor an hour can they advance it in anticipation. Say, do ye see if his punishment should come to you by night or by day? What portion of it would the sinners wish to hasten? Would ye then believe in it at last when it actually cometh to pass? It will then be said, Ah, no. Oh, ye and ye wanted aforetime to hasten it on. At length will be said to the wrongdoers, taste ye the enduring punishment, ye get but the recompense of what ye earned. They seek to be informed by thee. Is that true? Say, Aye, by my Lord, it is the very truth, and ye cannot frustrate. So, Hada kullu shay'in lihada liyomi. So that's all for the day. كانت هذه سنتيا سامسون من قناة مان العربية الأخبارية. أشترك في قناتنا الأخبارية في العربية والإنجليزية والهندية. شكرا. So this was Cynthia Samson from Man Arab News Channel. Subscribe to my news channel for latest news updates in Hindi, English and Arabic language. Thank you. Shukran. Khuda Hafiz.